this where you need the rubber hammer.
Oh, pop.
Oh, cock. So today I got a special delivery from this company called Common Motor, and they're an American company that specialise in bikes such as a CB360. Over here I've got this little package here that arrived. Now this took from the 5th of May to yesterday, being what, the 9th of August, to get here. This is what you call priority service from USPS, whatever they are, postal services, and it took 3 months to get here. So, but that's all right. It got here finally. We got some new rubbers there.
Did you order 2 cucumbers?
Oh, check that out. And do you know what I did? I had a choice of 2 different shocks. This is the heavy duty one. It can handle weights over 100 kgs on the bike if you happen to be over 100 kg. Not that I'm saying that I am, but I decided just to make sure that we got one. And this, in theory, Jason, should fit about there somewhere.
Right, I think we need some spanners and get into that.
Spanner.
How exciting.
And some lube.
Lube. We're doing a lot of lube lately.
I know. It's embarrassing. What we're going to do, Jace, is we're just going to release this slightly. That was loose. I didn't put any pressure on that at all. This is an accident waiting to happen yet again.
This whole bike's an accident waiting to happen before. Now, years ago when I changed the shocks in the Mark III Cortina,
Yes.
I got someone of larger weight than I was to sit on the bonnet.
Right.
So
That's
it compresses them and then it comes off easier.
What we need is a fat bloke.
I don't know where we'd find one.
No, I know. It wasn't very tight either. Okay. So the question is, I've got for you, Jason, and all your studying, do we undo that one and take that out first, or do we undo this one?
Take the bottom one out.
Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the seat on, and I'll just give it a little bit of compression,
Yep.
just in case it goes ping.
You sit, I wind.
I don't want you to get a black eye.
Thank you.
Okay, let's try that. Okay, we're right.
You don't need your helmet on for doing shock absorbers.
This helmet shrunk. It's got tight on my ears. Okay, right.
Get on.
Oh, a bit hard on the bum here. Is this what you want me to do?
No, we've got to take it off the centre stand because we need pressure.
Oh.
That's it. Okay.
So what we're doing at the moment, folks, we're doing the bottom nut. You want me to sit further back?
No, I think that's good.
You do the top one first, do you? I think you take it off the top first.
No, you swing it round. How long is this bolt?
How you going?
I'm still getting it. God, it's longer than Christmas.
I don't know about your Christmas, but my Christmas isn't that long.
God's sake. It's a never-ending nut.
I've got power tools that will do that. Oh, something went click. Oh, that was scary. I felt suddenly like the ground had come a lot closer to me. Are you enjoying that? Hitting my bum like that?
Not particularly.
Okay.
One shock off.
Can I get off now?
Yes, you can.
I'll put on the side stand.
Something just fell off the bike.
I can take my helmet off now, can't I?
You can, yeah.
Okay. Right, what we'll do is we'll investigate a little bit closer and see what's really going on.
I see.
Is there a left and a
this
right?
side here,
Yes.
threaded this side.
Yep.
Obviously goes like that.
Yep. Oh, shit, it fits. That'll do.
That'll do. That'll do, pig.
Now, with the, can I just say something stupid here? But there isn't a left and a right with the adjustment at all?
No.
No, it didn't say left and right.
No, they're the same.
Okay. So you've just encouraged that
I've encouraged that
to go in there, and then probably a bit of WD-40 or something in there.
quite a bit of WD-40, and I would think a nice rubber hammer
Right.
would be the ticket.
Okay. Okay, so we've now just sort of tightened up the bolt a little bit in there by putting 2 washers in here and in here, and then we're going to attempt to get this. So we've given it a bit of the old WD-40. Maybe it won't go out enough because of this.
Yes, it will.
Now is this where you need the rubber hammer?
Oh, pop.
Ah, cock. Okay, so what we've done is we put the rubber on first this time, and now Jason's going to just I'm trying to hold the phone at the same time. Okay. Oh, I know what. One of the washers.
Oh.
Hang on. Stop. Okay, so we've gone to plan C now, I think it is. We've put the rubber first. Do you need a little socket or something? Would that assist you?
Oh.
You alright?
Grunting.
Oh. Oh, it's not a bit close. And I'm thinking of a socket around here so you can put...
I know everybody who's watching this thinks, no, you do this, you do that.
Oh, I know.
But we are doing this for the first time.
And we're not getting any help from any YouTube channel.
No, we don't. We make our own YouTube channel.
Yeah, I know, but we don't look and see how it's done. No, don't turn it that way. It's got to go that way. Yep. Okay, let's just pause for one moment.
Let's have a think.
Right, you got it sorted?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what's your solution?
My solution is the 3 rubbers that came with the shock kits are for different bikes.
No shit, Sherlock.
So what I did is
What a statement to
I
make. Ah, mate, you're brilliant.
I took the old rubber out of the old shock, and it fits like a glove in the new shock.
Right. Okay.
That is the answer. And look, it's going to fit.
And there's not going to be much slop in there, you reckon?
None.
Okay, cool. We'll try that.
It's the way to go.
Way to go. So what we've done, folks, is we fitted on these little things here that are quite nice, again from Colin Motor, and these little, just simple little bungee, if you wanted to put something across your seat, you can attach a little thing to that. I thought it was quite good getting. How are you going down there?
I've got the washers back in, the nuts biting, the right shock is about to be complete. Excuse the grunting, it's quite heavy.
Well, that's looking quite nice on there, isn't it?
Oh, look.
Look at that. We just need to tighten up the top bolt and we're done. Is that it?
No, I'm still going to tighten it.
But that's it, eh?
That's it.
Look at that. Just thought I'd show you the difference between a heavy duty shock and a standard shock. And that, there was a standard shock on it, a little bit rusty, a little bit gungy. And then we've got this nice new shock there, quite a bit wider, but doesn't it look the part, Jace?
It's actually quite a bit bigger spring, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's made for fatties.
That's going to do the job.
Yeah, that'll sort it out. So we've got the bottom out.
Right.
Oh, listen.
That's as dry as a...
Don't even go there. It's dry. Let's just call it dry.
Yeah, but...
Actually, it sounds like that bloody bedpost in that motel in bloody Rotorua a few years ago.
Cut.
What do you do? Oh, I see.
I'll just clean the shaft up.
Mm-hmm.
Make it all slippery.
Yep.
Then it will go on the rubber. The rubber will go on the shaft easier then. Oh, look at that.
Yep. Again, the only tip I've got is getting the bottom bit with the nut in the right spot. And
where's the other fancy thingy?
oh yes, this thing here. Oof. This thing is what you want.
I just got to clean that in.
Look at that, isn't it nicely made?
Beautiful. Now that's a bungee.
Yeah, exactly. We've got bungee hooks on this now.
Yeah, put a day pack on it.
Or a little, lunch box or something, Jace. You know?
Some ham sammies.
Yeah, you pack sandwich on the back. You get to your destination, you look behind, the bungee's jumped off and you've lost your 4-pack of sandwiches, or in my case, my 6-pack of sandwiches. So what we noticed is we need 2 washers on this side, not 1, because the nut bottomed out.
Well, it sticks out slightly further on this side.
Yeah.
Than that side.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to lift the back of the bike up now.
Okay. Right, here's the big test.
I'm going to sit on it. Right. God, is something happening?
Yeah, yeah, it's compressing.
You can adjust the amount of...
Yes, they're adjustable shocks.
There's no clanging or knocking going on there, Jace.
No.
Which is nice to hear.
Well, there you go.
Well, that's how you do it. It's a simple case of, just sort of working through it. I think they look quite nice on there. They look a lot nicer than the old one down there, don't they? And
Vast improvement.
And I'm pleased I got those.
Mm.
They were $15 American, but hey, they look quite neat, don't they?
They do.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks again for tuning into the channel and seeing our success in fitting new shocks to the CB360.